Asian Times Meta, ATM, News Bulletin, January 10, 2025. Welcome to ATM News. Here are today's top stories from major cities and the world. Pakistan. Karachi, Sindh government announces a mega urban renewal project focusing on transportation, water supply, and waste management. Lahore, Punjab government approves a new IT hub, expected to create over 10,000 jobs in the technology sector. Islamabad, capital hosts an international climate conference, with diplomats from 30-plus countries discussing sustainability. India. Bombay, Mumbai, a 15% increase in real estate investments as global firms expand operations. Delhi, 500 electric buses added to reduce pollution, heightened security ahead of Republic Day celebrations. Chennai, Port Authority announces expansion plans, aiming to boost cargo handling capacity by 30% by 2026. Afghanistan. The Taliban government describes India as a significant regional partner after high-level talks in Dubai focusing on economic cooperation and trade. China. Accelerating railway projects under the Belt and Road Initiative, China aims to strengthen trade routes and connectivity with Central Asia. Central Asia. Nations deepen ties with Afghanistan, prioritizing stability and economic collaboration despite concerns over human rights. Global news. United States. The U.S. imposes sanctions on a Pakistani entity involved in developing long-range missiles, straining relations with Islamabad. United Kingdom. Strikes by healthcare workers continue as negotiations over pay and conditions stall. Middle East, Saudi Arabia and Iran resume diplomatic talks, focusing on regional peace and economic partnerships. Europe, severe winter storms disrupt travel and power supplies in parts of Germany, France, and the UK. Stay updated with ATM News, your trusted source for local and global updates.